Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you what is the difference between count and counta function, the key difference between count and counta function. So for that I have prepared an example. Here this is table, okay, and on the basis of this table I will use count function first, then I will use counta function, okay, in different, in name column and also age column and in city column. So we will know the difference between count and counta function. So first we will use count function in this employee name column, okay, so equals to count, then we will select the column, bracket close. So the result is 0. So the result is 0. Why? Because count function only count numbers. Count functions only count numbers, not text. Okay, so if I use this count function in this age column, okay, then you will see the result is 6. So 6 means that there are, in this column there are 6 cells who with numbers, okay, 6 cell with numbers. Now counta function, so we will use counta function in this city column, okay. Now the result is 6 because counta functions only count non-empty cells, okay. It doesn't matter that the cells have text or number, it will count the non-empty cells. So the key difference between count and counta function is that count function only count numbers, while counta functions only calculate or count the non-empty cells. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.